I'm going to show you how you can build money-making job search sites that get free traffic and generate affiliate commission every day. JobberMatic is a cloud-based app that builds 100% automated job search sites. They come with free hosting included, and you can access the software anywhere from a web browser. There is nothing to install, you don't need to worry about software updates, and you can build your first site in 3 easy steps. It literally takes 2 minutes to set it up. First, log into the dashboard and click Build a New Site button. Let's give our site a name, and here you can pick a free subdomain. You can choose which of the 30 countries you want your site to focus on. If you want your site to target a specific city, state, or region, you can select the default location here. And if you'd like your site to focus on a specific type of jobs, you can pick the job title here. Click the Save button and your site is created almost instantly. Let's go back to Sites and click on the domain link. You'll notice how clean the site is. And it's filled with millions of active job listings, and new ones are added every hour on a complete autopilot. Now here's the fun part. When people come to your site looking for a job, they're going to use the search, and as soon as they click on any of the job listings, you'll get paid for that click. All these job results use your affiliate link to take them to the page where they can apply. This is how your site makes money, and that's just one of the 3 affiliate income streams built into it. You're also going to be earning affiliate commission from banner ads. The software is integrated with ClickBank, which is one of the largest affiliate networks in the world. The ads are using your ClickBank affiliate links, and they are shown in the sidebar. These are highly targeted offers for job seekers. Every time they click these and buy, you get paid commission. And here's the 3rd income stream integrated into your site. All job results have these text ads placed on the very top before the actual listings, so they are impossible to miss. And these ads use your affiliate links to promote a special type of offers where people don't have to buy anything and you still earn commission. When people click these ads, they are taken to the offer page, and you get paid when they either fill out a form, give their email address and hit submit, or enter their phone number or other information. As you can imagine, it's much easier to have somebody fill out a form than make them buy something. So this is a very lucrative income stream for a site, and we just had to include it in JobberMatic. Your site also comes with a blog that already has some articles built in. If you want, you can add more content later for even more search engine traffic. Look, people search for jobs all the time, and the COVID-19 pandemic forced millions to change their careers, and millions around the world are still looking. This is your chance to help people find new employment opportunities, and you can even earn some decent money while doing so. So that's pretty much it. A very unique software, super easy to get started even if you're just a beginner and you've never made any profit online. I hope you pick it up and get started with your job search site today. Go ahead, click that buy button, and I'll see you inside the dashboard.